Hey guys, it's SterlingW. I got myself a new tablet holder for the backseat of my car. This one basically connects to the rear headrest of the car, and there's articulating joints for this thing. So you guys should put this in the center between two seats, or just basically have it in the back seat, which is nice. The thing is pretty awesome because it's multi-joint, so you can actually close it up like this. You can also tighten those joints after you've set the right placement. The middle holder, the haptic holder, is actually spring-loaded, so it basically adjusts to large-size tablets as well as small much larger tablets. I held up an iPad perfectly fine, but at the same time, it also holds smaller things like a cell phone and stuff like that, so you could watch it in a horizontal mode or vertical mode. And again, it swivels too, which is pretty cool. Now, holding the larger screen ones like this is actually a pretty heavy tablet, so it is much heavier than it is. So to solve that, you basically push down the headrest to keep it stable. Otherwise, it's gonna basically start leaning to the side like that. But anyways, putting it down stable makes the whole thing stable, and just tighten up all those little tightening knobs, and that should be it. And then you could use your tablet in the back seat. In the back side, there is a ball joint that screws in and makes it tight. So just make sure everything is tightened and stuff. It is all plastic except for the spring-loaded thing to hold the tablet, but overall it also comes with little hooks and stuff too. So it's pretty neat. This in-vehicle holder is actually pretty nice and pretty simple too. So anyways, that's really about it. It's SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.